Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to make Khajoor Paak, also known as dates and nuts roll. It's a healthy, delicious snack, and I love making big batches to share during the holy month of Ramadan. We'll start by chopping our nuts. I'm using almonds, pistachios, and walnuts today, but you can add cashews, pumpkin seeds, whatever dry fruit you might have. My aunt who shared this recipe with me sometimes adds crushed cornflakes for extra crunch. You can do that if you like. I did not have it available, so I did not add today. Next, I add a little bit of ghee to a pan and lightly fry some shredded coconut on low heat. The best part about this recipe is that you don't need exact measurements. Use as much or as little coconut and nuts as you prefer. Keep stirring so the coconut doesn't burn, and add walnuts and stir it all together. My pan was not too big for me to add the other nuts, so I took this out in a bowl and added the almonds and the pistachios and stir-fried them. Keep stirring so it doesn't burn, and then add it to the coconut bowl with the walnuts. Add a bit of more ghee and fry your dates. I'm using date paste because it's easier, but whole pitted dates work too. I had some left over from the last time, so I'm using that as well. Cook just until the mixture softens and becomes a smooth paste. This might take a little bit of effort on your part, but it'll be totally worthwhile. Once the date is nice and soft, paste type, add it to the coconuts and the nuts bowl and incorporate everything very well. I then transfer everything to the baking tray. Be careful if the date is too hot, let it cool down a little bit, but you don't want it to be too cold. It'll be hard to then shape it. I'm gonna do a log shape, but you can also make it into laddu type, however you want to do it. I transfer the mixture onto the parchment paper and continue making the log shape. Wrap the roll tightly in the parchment paper and pop it in the freezer for about 15-20 minutes. It is nice and hard, and now it will slice beautifully. Cut your pieces as thick or thin as you like. And that's it. Super simple and so tasty.